What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Product. If you are looking for the best welding helmet that combines safety, comfort, and modern features, you are in the right place. Whether you're a professional welder or just getting started, having the right helmet makes a huge difference. Today, we are diving into a model that checks all the right boxes. Let's get started. The Hitbox LY800F welding helmet is designed to give you top-level protection and comfort during any welding job. It is built from strong, fire-retardant materials that resist heat and harsh conditions. This means the helmet stays durable even after repeated use in tough environments. It also has anti-aging properties, so it does not wear out quickly over time. One of the standout features is the high-definition protective filter. This filter gives you a clear view of your welding area, which reduces eye strain and helps you work more accurately. The luminosity is soft and comfortable, so you are not squinting or feeling uncomfortable while you work. The helmet uses an advanced circuit design that activates instantly when you strike an arc. The viewing window darkens immediately to protect your eyes from the bright flash. You also get permanent UV and IR protection, which means your eyes stay shielded from harmful rays at all times. For added flexibility, the Hitbox LY800F welding helmet offers both grinding and welding modes. You can switch between tasks without needing a separate helmet. The sensitivity and delay time are also adjustable, so you can customize how the helmet responds to different welding environments. The design is both functional and comfortable. The helmet is ultra-light, making it easy to wear for long periods without neck strain. It also has a stylish look that stands out in the workshop. The power system combines high-performance solar cells with a lithium battery, ensuring reliable operation with very low power consumption. Another practical feature is the replaceable battery design. If the battery ever needs changing, you can swap it out quickly without any downtime. This keeps your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Strong protection, smart design. If you want a helmet that works as hard as you do, check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more tool and gear videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.